It's going to be a one-week celebration of the Ubom, and as part of activities marking this year's celebration, we have what we call the boat regatta. In Cross River State language or the Efik dialect, it's called the Mbuba Ubom. And guess what this Mbuba Ubom is all about? It's one sporting activity that has to do with the river because, of course, when we talk about the Efik people, we are also looking at an occupation that is more of the riverine or that is more of fishing. And so we have young men who are going to be showing us their prowess when it comes to fishing, which is more like one of the very enterprising activities and occupation that we have in this part of South Nigeria. My name is Janice Ubom, and I'm going to take you around what is going to be happening on this event today.
This is a very major event for both the Carnival and the Ubom Festival. The boat regatta is as old as the Efik custom and culture. This is the time that the various houses, the various clans come together after we are basically seagoing people, fishermen basically. So our prowess is in the river. So after a year's activity, this is part of bringing everybody together to come and, this is felicitation period. And then we compete amongst ourselves to show who is better, who is faster, who is stronger.
Okay, so we are here with the Chief Engineer Idomi Peme. Chief Engineer Idomi Peme is actually the coordinating chairman for Ubom. Tell us what the Ubom is all about.
Yes. You know, the Efiks live by the river Rhine. And our main culture is fishing. Yes, we get all our food from the river. So from time immemorial, we have developed this habit of trying to develop whatever we have here in the river. So this is one of it. Competitions like you have on the land. You have the racing, have all the sports they have on the land. It's the same thing we have on the, on the river.
Now we are here for the Ubom, which is also known as the boat regatta in English. And what do you think is going to happen today? What are we looking forward to?
So today is a display of another traditional skill, which is the boat regatta, Ubom, and the 12 ancestral clans that make up the Eburutsu kingdom will each display a boat with, I believe it's 12 sailors in each boat, and they will be racing. So it's a competition, and they'll race to the end of the river and back, and whoever wins that race gets a prize, and the second runner-up gets a prize, and all the participants get a prize as well.
As a way to conserve tradition and bring to life our identity as a riverine community, the Ubom Boat Regatta is one of the interesting events you wouldn't want to miss on your next visit to Calabar, Cross River State, Nigeria, during the Yuletide season. It is one of the major events marking the Ubom Festival. The Ubom, as we call it in the Efik language, is a traditional sporting event that depicts our trade and commerce as a people. According to some of the dignitaries, the Efik man is a traditional fisherman, and so this event showcases young men and their skills and powers. Quite a sunny day today at the Marina Resort, and people have come out in their numbers to watch this very colorful traditional event. Fiercely contested, but there must be a winner, and so Abayan clan becomes the winner of the 2023 Ubom contest, closely followed by Ewan clan and the third position was taken by a Diabo clan.